Catch a ride on the Trivia Express as we delve into 5 fascinating facts about Australian tram trains. First stop, Melbourne. It's home to the largest urban tramway network in the world. Next, we chug into the past. Trams first appeared down under in the late 19th century, and they've been rolling ever since. Third fact, ever heard of the City Circle? It's a free tram service in Melbourne that loops around the city's central business district. Fourth stop, the W Class. These iconic trams are a symbol of Melbourne and a huge hit with tourists. Finally, we pull into Bendigo. Here, you can dine in style on a moving tram, so next time you're in Australia, don't just ride the tram, live the tram experience.